Hello everyone, George Gill here from Gill Technologies. Welcome back to another weekly tip. I'm joined here with Carol from Gill Technologies and our analysis team because all the raving reviews about her, I'm surprised I'm still on the show and she hasn't kicked me completely off, but that's okay. We're going to do this together. Today we're going to talk a little bit about reporting as a component of managing your communications. Okay, so let me ask you a question before I grill Carol here a little. How are you managing your communications today? And what I mean by that is, on a monthly basis, how do you understand in your organization who your top users are, who your top weekend users are, who are your top data users? Do you have access to that information quickly and accurately and painlessly? Or are you filling out spreadsheets every month and spending hours or days completing that project every single month? Or are you flipping through bills and just looking for what jumps out at you on the page? Well, if that's the solution that you're doing today, I got to tell you, there's a better solution. So let's talk a little to Carol here and see what she has to say. Now, Carol, how important is it to, and we're going to share the mic again because I'm just not buying two mics. How important is it for a company to be able to zoom in and understand who their top users are on a monthly basis?
It's absolutely critical.
Why?
Knowing who your top users are, knowing where your money is being spent is completely critical to everything you do. It's possible to have users that are not using lots of minutes but are spending through the roof because they're using money on other things. You need to be able to look at all aspects of where the money is going. Are they on the right plan? Are they using the entire pool so that everybody else is having to pay for all of their minutes and one user is using all of the minutes? Understanding the plans and where it's going can all be done through looking at the top user reports, knowing who the big users are, who the big spenders are.
Okay. All right. Let me ask you this then. If I know who my top users are, am I able to maybe utilize some of my low users and maybe some pooling action going on to save some costs there?
Absolutely. Pooling can be a great way for big businesses to save money. Your big users use 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 minutes a month. Some people need to have the phone, maybe use 20, 30, 40 minutes a month. If you can group those minutes, balance out your pool, you end up saving everybody money, especially the company, in the long run.
Okay, let's take a different look at a different tangent here. What about from a point of analytics and understanding who's rising maybe? Is there software out there that allows you to maybe see a history or be able to see that type of intelligence that gives you that insight as to, we have some increasing usage here. We better adjust our plans accordingly if this is going to continue to climb?
Absolutely. With our Telewatch software, Gill Technologies proprietary software, we are able to look at those trends. We are able to see, with a few clicks of the mouse, the reports to see whose data usage is increasing. You can see what trends your business is taking. You can certainly help predict for the future to help reduce your costs down the road.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. Okay. And final question on this. What about different types of usage? What if I just want to know who's downloading maybe apps on their smartphones or maybe using high data usage? Is that becoming important to businesses? And is there a way in the Telewatch software to capture that information fairly quickly?
Absolutely. With the different types of reports that we have, you can look at just about any type of usage that there is on your bill and see who is using, get an idea of what they're using it for, and perhaps see changes in the trends of what your employees need to do their jobs.
Okay, excellent. Now, Carol, can we encourage you to maybe do a little video and demonstration of exactly how this reporting is extracts that information, if you will, from a customer's bill on the Telewatch software?
Absolutely.
We can do that?
We can do something like that and put a link to it that we can show everybody from here.
Perfect. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put a link in the below this video right here to our blog. Carol's going to do a demonstration on the actual Telewatch software that outlines how the top reports work. And hopefully this information will be valuable to you, even if you're currently using a different type of system, or if you're going through that painstaking task of creating spreadsheets every month. This might give you some ideas on how to expedite that a little faster. All right, I'm George Gill from Gill Technologies and Carol from Gill Technologies, and we'll see you again real soon.